Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Idea Boxes. In this video, I will show you how to create a system restore point on your Windows 10. The same procedures can be used on earlier Windows versions such as Windows 7, 8, and 8.1. It doesn't matter. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to your desktop, click on the search box and type in restore. From here, click a restore point. A dialog box showing the System Protections tab under System Properties appears. From here, click on the system drives that you want this restore point to be created. In this case, it's a C drive. Okay, after that, click Configure and turn on System Protections. You can leave the disk space usage as default, as 2% in this case, unless you want to make adjustments to the storage space on your system. Okay, so after that, click Apply. Okay, now under the protection settings, it will show as on. You can then proceed to create your restore point. You do so by clicking the create button here and enter a name for your restore point. In this case, put in create restore point. Just click create. Windows 10 will now proceed to create a restore point for your systems. Once it is complete, it will tell you that the restore point was created successfully and you can close the dialog box. Right now, you may ask, how do I know if the resource point and how many of them are available on my Windows 10? Okay, you can do so by going back to the search box again and type in recovery. From recovery, the dialog box will appear again. You open the system restore. From here, click next. Right here, it will show you the number of restore point that have been created earlier. So if there is a need to restore your system because there's some misconfigurations or your Windows 10 is not working the way you want it to be, you simply click on the restore point and click next. This will proceed to restore your system state to the previous version or the previous state. Okay, so that's it, folks. I hope you can make use of this tool in Windows 10 one day for your system recovery if it's ever need to. Bye for now.